Welcome to Sustainability Soundbites, presented by E and E Leader. Electrification is reshaping California facilities. California is building a workforce to install cleaner building technologies. A less visible challenge is emerging after installation: who will operate and maintain them? As California buildings move away from natural gas equipment toward heat pumps, advanced controls, and other electric systems, facilities departments increasingly need employees with different technical skills. In some cases, the shift changes how maintenance responsibilities get divided in the first place. USGBC California announced agreements this week with the California State University System and the Foundation for California Community Colleges that would extend sustainability training and career resources across the state's 22 CSU campuses and 116 community colleges, a combined student population the organizations put at more than 2.5 million. Students are only part of the audience. Faculty, sustainability directors, and facilities managers can also access training covering electrification, building performance standards, extreme heat, wildfire defense, and embodied carbon. Installation is only the beginning. Los Angeles has already run into this problem while planning the decarbonization of its own buildings. The city's existing municipal building decarbonization work plan, which covers roughly 980 city-owned buildings, totaling more than 22 million square feet, warns that heat pump equipment requires technical knowledge that can differ substantially from maintaining gas-fired systems. A plumbing technician who historically maintained a gas-fired water heater, for instance, may lack the refrigeration knowledge to troubleshoot a heat pump water heater. That expertise sits with an HVC technician instead. Los Angeles concluded that facilities groups may need to reorganize responsibilities, cross-train employees, and in some cases, add maintenance staff as more electrified equipment enters city buildings, and specifically recommended expanding refrigeration and HVAC training to cover heat pump technology. The maintenance impact is not uniform. The city's analysis found little change for heat pump rooftop units, since technicians already familiar with air conditioning compressors have much of the needed skill, but air-to-water heat pumps could require both more annual maintenance and more training, a gap consistent with what is already showing up as a structural labor constraint on decarbonization timelines nationally. California is expanding the pipeline behind it. The state is investing on the front end at the same time. In April, the California Department of Industrial Relations awarded $18.6 million in California Apprenticeship Council Training Fund grants to 160 registered building and construction apprenticeship programs, supporting more than 55,000 apprentices in trades, including electricians, plumbers, HVC technicians, and sheet metal workers. The fund itself has grown from about $3 million to $20 million annually, letting programs expand training capacity, buy equipment, and update curricula. Roughly $20 million is available again for the 2026-2027 cycle. The USGBC California agreements add a different layer on top of that pipeline, connecting higher education and existing campus staff with more specialized building sustainability knowledge rather than training additional installers alone, an approach that fills in one of the workforce gaps already shaping how commercial electrification projects get planned and financed. Los Angeles experience suggests electrification planning cannot stop at equipment selection, installation cost, and projected energy savings. Organizations weighing their own building transitions may also need to ask whether existing facility staff can commission, troubleshoot, and maintain the new systems, and where responsibilities need to shift, a question that mirrors workforce shortages showing up across clean energy trades more broadly. The city's broader implementation plan goes further, recommending additional personnel and specialized engineering resources to handle the changing workload. Workforce readiness has become another line item in the economics of building electrification. California is spending heavily to build the people who will construct its next generation of infrastructure. Whether the people who maintain it afterward are ready is the part still being worked out. Interested in a Soundbite sponsorship? Contact our team to learn more. Thank you for listening.